Meet Gary. Gary is a maintenance manager who relies on ABB instruments to keep his plant running smoothly. Every now and then, Gary has to troubleshoot. Having an assistant would be nice. But he doesn't have one. He can find information on the internet, sometimes too much information. My Measurement Assistant gives Gary what he needs to care for ABB instruments from his phone, tablet, or PC 24/7. Right now, this flow meter has no output signal. Gary doesn't have to go find the manual. He just pulls up My Measurement Assistant to walk him through the maintenance. He selects the model, completes a safety check, inputs some values, gets the maintenance procedure, and in no time is good to go. And My Measurement Assistant documents the action. Now it looks like Gary needs to commission a new instrument. He has the commissioning steps on the app, which generates a report on the action. Since it's a new instrument, he checks tutorials and manuals on the app to make sure he's ready for the future. He's got lots of tutorials. And if Gary gets stuck, he can contact ABB support. Whether you self-maintain or use ABB service, you have an assistant to keep things flowing. Download ABB's My Measurement Assistant today and get the help you need. You can download the app from ABB Marketplace or access it on the web at mymeasurementassistant.abb.com.